Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet. Chickweed is high in many nutrients, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C. This nutritious and ubiquitous plant is recommended as a delicious wild edible and can be especially beneficial for those in recovery from illness or other nutrient depletion. Herbalist Deb Sewell says, "Chickweed helps the body absorb nutrients better. It is a safe and nourishing herb for a person of any age to take over several months when weak, chronically tired from overwork and stress, traumatized, anemic, or recovering from a long-term illness or surgery." Chickweed is also high in saponins. When plants high in saponins are agitated in water, this visible soap-like foam appears. And this foaming ability is caused by the interaction of fat-soluble and water-soluble constituents. Saponins have a wide range of activity within the body. They can regulate blood sugar, they can support a healthy microbiome, and they can modulate inflammation. Herbalists have long used chickweed to address infections. In vitro studies have isolated various constituents within chickweed that have shown antiviral activities against HSV2 and hepatitis B. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.